Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to boost the productivity of your business using AI. So first, let's dive into the CRM and ensure that you have installed your AI module and you have configured the API key. And once everything is done, you can just move on to the module you want to just use to improve your productivity. So in this case, I would like to consider the quad for 12 tables over here. And here you can find the expected revenue, the probability, and you are stuck between what to do next to convert this into a lead. So you can ask the Odoo 19 AI, which simply boosts your productivity. So you can just ask to suggest 2, 3 steps to convert this to a deal. So upon sending this, Odoo AI is thinking and it would be suggesting 2 to 3 steps to convert this into a deal. So here you can see that we are getting the search result over here that that clarifies the requirements. So you can just discuss any specific requirement or customization that the customer need for the table, and this would help them to tailor the offer. I mean, the business to tailor the offers as per their needs. And we can also provide a detailed quotations like you can prepare a detailed quotation that outlines the pricing, delivery times, and any other additional services that require. And afterwards, you can just schedule a meeting to arrange. You can just arrange the meeting through calls to discuss the quotations and address any questions or concerns of the customer. So, one of the ways to just get these suggestions to move forward to a lead. And let's move on to the other examples. Let's move on to the sales module over here. So in the sales module, you can find different quotations or the sale orders. So let me consider one of the sale order. So here you can see that I'm a new sales representative and now it's my duty to manage with the sale order. So I don't have much idea about this. So I'll be making use of the Odoo 19 AI. So here you can see that I'll be asking the AI to summarize um, the quotation. So summarize the quotation and let me click on enter, and Odoo will be summarizing the quotation. So here we'll be getting the result that you can see that the sale order is for Decorrect and it is identified from the sale order reference number is given, and this includes several service product that is related to home construction, and the order is currently in sale state and it required a signature and payment before the completion, and it's just valid for 30 days and you can see the data is given. They are, and here are some key details like the customer information as well as the order date, the service included, and the payment terms, price list, project, and salesperson, as well as it also shows some additional notes and tags and invoice status. Now let's move on to the other few examples to improve the sales productivity using the AI. So here you can find the maintenance module. So here you can find different maintenance. So let me just move on to the internal maintenance. And I don't know what to do with some keys are not working over here. So I just want to get a suggestion from the AI to what to do next. So here I'll be asking that what I should do for the request, and again let me click on enter, and Odoo will suggest me some of the maintenance request over here. Like I can just assess the issue that determines which key are not working, and we can just try basic troubleshooting and so on. And here we can also just move on with prioritizing the request, assigning to a technician or scheduling a maintenance. and update the request. So if you want to send this as a message, you can just choose it as send as message. And here, if you want to set as followers only, if you're just keeping this field as null, this will be sending to the followers only. And let me click on send. And here you can see that it will be added under the chatter. And well, so if you want to again just know the analysis, sentiment analysis of this using the AI, you can also easily get it under the chatter. Now let's move on to the other module, that is the event. So to know how the I mean how you can just improve the productivity using the AI. So here you can see that we can just find a few events which are booked. I would like to consider one of the booked event. So open wood collection online prevail. So just imagine that I just want to cancel this event. So I don't know what are the steps to cancel the event. So I'll be asking Odoo AI to cancel the event. Have to cancel the event, and let's click on enter. And Odoo is thinking, and Odoo will be giving the appropriate answer. So you can see that Odoo has suggested some of the steps to cancel the event. So we can just navigate into the event module and we can find the event. And after opening the event, we can change the stage and we can click on the event to open it. And here you can see that we will be having a stage called cancel or equivalent status that indicate the cancellation. So you can just move on with that. And afterwards, you can save the changes. Make sure to save the changes to update the event status. So if you want to just log this as note, you can just set it as log as note. So let's move on to log over here. And you can see it under the chatter. So here currently you can see that we have just logged it under the chatter. So these are some of the use cases of improving or boosting the productivity of your business using Odoo 19 AI. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.